Welcome to Slow English Stories.
David, can I be honest? I think I'm terrible at ordering coffee.
Terrible? How bad can it be?
Well, I always say coffee with milk, but then I try my friend's coffee and it's way better. Like rich, creamy, smooth. Mine just tastes sad.
Classic coffee regret. You buy one thing, then you sip someone else's and go, wait, why does yours taste so good?
Exactly. They say stuff like double or with cream, and I have no idea what that means. I just smile and drink my sad coffee.
Okay, good news. You're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to order coffee so you always get what you actually like. Tim Hortons, McDonald's, whatever.
Finally, because I can't keep drinking boring coffee.
Deal. By the end of this, you'll order like a pro. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's imagine you're at the counter. What do you say?
Can I have a coffee with milk, please?
Not bad, but let's make it faster and more natural. Watch me. Hi, can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
That sounds clear. Everyone understands that?
Yep, everywhere. Tim Hortons, McDonald's, any basic coffee shop.
So no need to explain with 2 sugars and 2 creams? Just say it directly?
Exactly. 2 sugars, 2 creams is simple and works everywhere. And in Canada, there's a shortcut. People just say double. Same thing, faster to say.
So in Canada, I can say double, but anywhere else, I can just say 2 sugars, 2 creams?
Exactly. Want to try?
Sure. Hi, can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please? That felt easy.
See? 1 sentence, no stress, and you get what you like.
Okay, but what if I don't want cream? I usually say milk.
Good question. Most people don't know the difference. Milk is lighter, so your coffee tastes lighter, more like tea with coffee flavor.
Okay, and cream?
Cream is thicker and richer. It makes your coffee taste smooth and heavy. If you like a strong, full taste, cream is perfect.
So maybe that's why my friend's coffee tastes better. They probably use cream, not milk.
Exactly. And there's almond milk for people who don't drink regular milk. It has a nutty flavor and is lighter than cream.
So basically, milk equals light, cream equals rich, almond milk equals light but nutty.
Perfect summary. Now, what about sugar? The easiest way to order is just say exactly what you want. 2 sugars, 2 creams. That works everywhere, in the US or Canada.
Easy enough. 2 sugars, 2 creams.
And here's a bonus. In Canada, there's a shortcut. People just say double. Same meaning, faster to say. Even some places in the US will understand it, but if you're not sure, just say 2 sugars, 2 creams.
So I can do both. If I'm in Canada, double. Anywhere else, 2 sugars, 2 creams.
Exactly. Now you're speaking coffee like a local.
Okay, but what if I don't want any sugar or milk?
Easy. Just say black coffee. That means no sugar, no milk, nothing extra. Simple.
Black coffee. 2 words, done.
Exactly. Now, what if you only want a little? Maybe just 1 sugar and 1 cream.
1 sugar, 1 cream?
Perfect. You can say the exact number. For example, no sugar, just cream. Or 1 sugar, no cream. Keep it short and clear.
So I can fully control how sweet or creamy my coffee is just by saying the numbers.
Exactly. That's how you get the coffee you like, not someone else's random choice.
That's awesome. I love that. No more guessing or boring coffee.
Yep. And remember, if you like the shortcut, in Canada, you can always say double double. But for anything else, numbers work perfectly.
Okay, but what if the cashier asks me something I don't understand?
Good point. The most common one is for here or to go. That just means, do you want to drink it here or take it with you?
Easy. I can say, to go, please, if I want takeout, or for here if I want to stay.
Exactly. Another one is, do you need a receipt? You can just say, no thanks, or yes, please.
That's it. I can handle that.
Yep, those are the most common ones, so if you know these two questions, you won't be surprised. All right, Ava, you learned everything. Ready to order coffee like a pro?
I think so. Let's try.
Okay, pretend I'm the cashier. Go at it.
Hi, can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Do you need a receipt?
No, thanks.
Perfect! You nailed it!
That felt easy.
All right, everyone watching, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
Can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
Again, can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
Can I get a medium coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, please?
And one more. Black coffee, please.
Black coffee, please.
Perfect. You're ready for any coffee shop now. So now you can walk into any coffee shop in the world and get exactly what you want. Tim Hortons, McDonald's, your local cafe, you're ready. No more wrong coffee, no more what did I just order moments.
That feels so good. I can finally order coffee with confidence.
Exactly. And this is just the start. There are so many specialty drinks out there, like pour-over coffee, single-origin beans, or Starbucks favorites like caramel macchiato or pumpkin spice latte. They sound fancy, but don't worry. We'll teach you how to order those too.
Ooh, I want to learn those next.
Perfect reason to subscribe and stay with us. Today, you learned how to get your coffee your way. Next time, we go deeper into the coffee world.
I'm in.
See you in the next one and enjoy your perfect cup today.